What is up, guys? It's Kevin. We're back with another video, and right now we're about to head to Sprouts. And also get money from the bank. We're also getting food from Mr. Tacos because she wants tacos, and we're gonna get me some carne asada fries because that's just bomb, but she doesn't like it. So you're missing out, bruh. Damn. Oh yeah, she just dyed her hair again. Different color. So I just got the money from the bank. Now we're heading to Sprouts because she wants some cotton candy grapes. Look at that Emperor, man. You know her. She's having like 3 out of 10. Fuck. You're hella sweet. So we just got the cotton candy grapes from Sprouts. So I just got home, about to start the 240 again. Haven't started the car in a long time, so we'll see how it goes. Really need to get those painted. Damn, it's been a long time since I sat in here. Feed it some fuel real quick. So when I don't start this car for about like maximum of 35 days, it starts fucking up like this. It doesn't want to start. So I gotta feed it some fuel. So hopefully it starts up soon, because I haven't driven or warmed this car up in a while. Pumping the clutch, keep pumping the clutch. There you go. Keep pumping, keep pumping. Finally got it start. Not really sure if you guys can hear me again because this car is fucking stupid loud. That took a while. While we wait for this to warm up, let's go check out some vlogs about cars, you know, some car meets as well. Let's go check the most recent one, JDM Lifestyle, you know what I'm saying? Have some pretty good coverage of the cars at the meets around the Bay Area. If you guys want to check them out, that'll be awesome. Show some support, show some love for the car community. They also have a ton of pictures, really nice, high quality pictures. And if you guys really want to support them too, go ahead and purchase one of these stickers right here. Buy them. It's only $5, guys. If you guys want to support them, please purchase one of these. Pretty dope. So jdmlifestyle.net, guys. jdmlifestyle.net. That is the link. I'll leave it down in the description below too. So another thing I need to fix is that windshield. The windshield's cracked since I took off the hood when I was fixing the heating system in my car. Well, I cracked the windshield basically. As I was saying in the car, I'm gonna order the tail lights, the cookie tail lights one by one. So I already have the garnish, the black garnish that's under the reverse tail lights garnish here in my room because my girlfriend ordered it for me. But the rest of the taillights, like the RPS 13 garnish, the kooky taillights left and right, I need to order separately, and also the key fob as well. But I will order those really soon, guys, one by one each week, so I can put it on my car because they look legit. So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We actually just hit 50 subscribers a couple days ago, so thank you guys so much for the support. I'm actually editing this video right now as we speak, but that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great week. And don't forget to check out jdmlifestyle.net. Deuces.